decide what to purchase and what is worth your time and your money. I'm Sarah from Resell here. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be talking in today's video about how I'm going to decide whether I'm going to continue to sell a certain category. I sell women's clothing, shoes, and purses, but this video is going to work for everybody because I'm going to teach you the strategic decisions, looking at your numbers and considering your time and your money to decide if buying these things from a thrift store, liquidation, estate sale, whatever it is actually worth it for you. Before we get into it, you do need to know a couple definitions. Sell-through rate is going to be how many items you've sold out of how many items that you have for sale. Average sale price is going to be, on average, how much are these items selling for? Looking at metrics like this is going to allow you to make these decisions. So we're looking at the Resell Sales and Trends dashboard. This is how I track and manage my data. You can do it however you see fit for you, but the link for this is down below. You can purchase this. It is a one-time purchase in Google Sheets. You manage it, the data yourself. It's up to 25 platforms. So you can look at up to 25 platforms that you sell on, all of the categories that you sell on, to help you make these strategic decisions. I am looking at 1 year worth of data. We're looking at the profit. So this is taking out your cost of goods, my dresses and my bags and my jeans. Those are the two categories that I'm going to be considering. Like I said, this is going to work for any categories that you sell in. You'll just have different numbers, right? So here we have my bags. On average for the past year, on average, my profit has been $46.34, and my sell-through rate is $72.91%. That's a killer sell-through rate. You can see why I'm like, I should just do bags all day, bags. If I could find enough bags, I probably would still consider doing that. However, I don't find that many bags. I do find a reasonable amount of jeans, and I wanted to see if I should continue to pick up jeans. So my stats on jeans are going to be a little bit lower. You know, they're down here. These are kind of my BOLO, a high sell-through rate, a high average profit. However, they're not typically things that I can find a lot of, I make a full business off of. And jeans, we're looking at my jeans. My profit on jeans is half of what it is for bags, $25.75. My sell-through rate is roughly 60%. Based off of this alone, I should sell bags, I should quit selling jeans, niche down, Sarah. But I wanted to consider my time when doing this. And before we get into looking at that analysis and really considering your time, how much your time is worth, if you guys like videos on how to learn how to resell, making strategic decisions, learning how to make money reselling, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a like. Any questions, definitely leave them down below. Share this video with all of your reseller friends if you found it valuable. Make sure to tag me if you are selling or sharing it on social media, and I'll share with my followers, share back with my followers as well, get you guys some extra engagement. All right, so let's consider my time. Based off of that chart, I should do bags, I should get rid of jeans. So here I've broken out typical Sarah Styles style. I'm in a spreadsheet, very comfortable in spreadsheets. This is where I like to look and make strategic decisions for my business based off of the numbers, not necessarily my feelings, based off of the numbers. Bags has a higher profit. I have already taken out the cost of goods. You can see in the chart over here, my cost of goods for bags is higher. I'm at roughly $9 on average for bags, and my jeans tend to be My jeans tend to be closer to $6.50. So that's something to consider as well. If your upfront costs, if you don't have the capital to put into bags or higher profit or higher cost of good items, that is also something that you should be considering. So for me, this is where we're at with the profit. Cost of goods is already taken out of this. But then I wanted to look at my time spent. It takes me time, and I highly recommend timing yourself in different processes, not only to improve yourself, and I'll link a video up here of our playlist of my processes. I worked really hard last year on honing in and getting my processes quicker. That is one way you will make more money, if you can process things quicker, and everything that you do quicker. So I went through and I timed myself for how long it takes me to do things for bags and how long it takes me to do things for jeans. And you can see my jeans are over half. It takes me half the time to process a jean than it does to process shoes. All right, so when you consider this, my time versus my profit, how much am I making? I took this and I did it per minute. So my jeans on a hour or on a minute rate, I am making more money in jeans. I can process them much quicker quicker. However, that is considering that I sell 100%. My average profit, that is saying I am selling everything that I purchase. And this is where sell-through rate is going to come through. My sell-through rate for them, for both of these categories, is different. So let's take a look at that. So my sell-through rate for bags is 72%. Of the bags that I'm purchasing, 72% of them are selling. Of the jeans that I'm purchasing, only 60% of them are selling. But my sell-through rate for bags is higher. Is that going to change it? This rate, so they're not selling at 100%. This is going to take it into my truest profit per margin, and jeans are just slightly, 27 cents higher than my bags are. Jeans are not killing it for me. However, based off of my profit, my profit and my time, I am still making a good hourly rate on my jeans. So if you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I will link some more reseller, how do I make money reselling videos here for you guys, and then make sure to hit that subscribe.